Bloop. Hi, this is Chad Church with Syncfusion, and I'm going to take some time right now to go through and show you all the new features we have in our User Interface Edition for our 2011 Volume 2 release. And first on my list is our Essential Diagram for MVC. This is a new tool that was built specifically for HTML5. It gives you the ability to present powerful and feature-rich diagrams, and our intuitive user interaction models make it easy to edit or create diagrams with or without data binding. Our diagrams can be static, or you can let your users run free and make their own creations. We have a layout manager that lets you use a predefined algorithm to place your nodes, and with that you can still allow your users to customize it once they're laid out. We've added a few samples to our Silverlight diagram just to help you see all of its power and flexibility. In this version, we've added printing support. You can now print directly from the control and use our dialog to customize what you're printing. We've also added a resizing handle customization. Our WPF diagram now has drawing tools, allowing you to create custom shapes right at the page. We've also added virtualization to better handle many nodes and connections. The ability to customize a resize handle is also new to WPF. We've added a spell checker control to our WinForms, WPF, Silverlight, and ASP.NET MVC toolsets. For ASP.NET, we've created a ribbon control. You can now give your users a rich interface like Office 2010. This ribbon includes a context tabs that will only appear when certain types of objects are selected. We also made fully customizable button controls and a gallery view which can contain multiple items with multiple functionalities. We have a new map control for WPF and Silverlight. With this you can load ESRI shapefiles, employ custom color palettes, zoom, pan, and show screen tips. Layers are a very important part of maps. This allows you to zoom in or out of a map and see a lot more detail. For ASP.NET MVC, we now have a hierarchical grid. The child grids are fully functional and they can be synchronized. Our MVC grid can now bind to a web service, and the main advantage of this is platform independence and reusability. We have added some richness to our paging. There are many customizations available, and the pager can be placed as you wish around the grid. Columns can be formatted for images, links, etc. by using templates. Controls such as gauges and charts can also be rendered. With dynamic data binding, no parameters have to be defined in the grid. This allows the grid to dynamically render columns in accordance with a data source. In this version, we've also given you the ability to customize the toolbar. You can now let your grid have the look and feel that you want for your application. This concludes my presentation. Thank you very much for your time, and look forward to seeing you on syncfusion.com.